Yay, I cleaned the outside over here. Clean my table over here because it gets super dusty because it is glass. It's clean. Lila's there. Luna. Then I put that plastic on that table because it was getting very bad. And then the swing is there. Ta-da! Clean. Or picked up, I guess. Go. Move it around.
Look at the mermaid driving. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Look at your feet, mermaid. You don't know how to drive. Turn it. Reverse. Reverse it. Reverse. Go back.
Luna. Look at me, Luna. Look, show me your cookie. Luna, look right here, my man.
Thank you.
good morning. Today we are actually already on the 12th. The 12th. Today is Dia del Guadalupe. Watching the Pope over there. Last year we counted down. We're going 24 days till Christmas, 23, 24. But this year we're counting towards Christmas, and we are on the 12th here with the snowman, with our Christmas tree that we love this year. The colors kind of like woo, go up, and then the ladies over there are over there. The ladies over there are over there. Duh. And they're waiting for me to do breakfast, right? We also had this advent calendar over here, and it has little doors that you get to open. Since the first days were Vlogmas for the weekend, like the vlogs in Disneyland, we didn't get to record this part, but we are on the 12th, and the 12 doesn't have a little door. I actually bought this at Michael's in clearance last Christmas, and they were selling it for cheap because it was missing this. So today it doesn't have one, but there is our advent calendar, and I'm going to get cooking our pancakes this morning. Bye, Lila. Yay, Lila. Good morning, Lila. Ooh, Lila. Alrighty. Look at the Pope. Yeah. Good morning.